Wow, this is a really nice elevator. I think this was a former US, but I'm not sure. Oh, nice. So vintage and classy, but it's modded. I'm gonna do my cab view first.
Okay.
Hello. This is at some multi-tenant building in Plano. We're gonna get this side first here. One, and then we'll get off at two. Two, let's switch sides. I love those doors outside. That looks so cool. And that's it.